I thought I'd document this. This is a washing machine, possibly from the 1990s, and it spins around very fast, almost violently. The front, what it rests on the front, they're fixed. They're good, they don't move. But it's got a very, very strange setup on the back. So that's the leg there, or the back rest, and on the other side it's the same, but it's completely free floating, like, and I can pull it apart. It's got a spring mounted here. Pull it apart, and it's not fixed, and that sort of explains the shuddering and the noise it makes. I noticed there's two holes, there's one there and one there, so what I'm going to have to do is put a bolt through there and make it so it doesn't move. Okay, so that's how I got around it. I got two bolts and they went through the holes. So I'll just pan across so that can swivel up and down on an angle. There's a spring mechanism there, and they both come apart that way and that way. So there's two rods, well there were, before I put the bolts in. So that's actually the two rear retaining or steps or supports, and why anybody would make a design where they could actually fluctuate the height, I don't know yet, but anybody that can shed any light on this design, please do so. Please comment below. Okay, well the shell's a little bit shaky because it's vibrated off its frame throughout the years, but it's fairly sturdy now, and if there's any problems I'll put it underneath the video there. I'll put a comment on, but it's a very strange design, as I say. Please, if you know anything about the design on the back holding the legs, let me know. So I think that's fixed now. Over and out.